I know there's a conscious mental battle between watering, saving water, and how to get it done the best way. The point is that we have to water in order to look after our investments. So it's really best that we find the best products to make sure that we're doing it in the most responsible way. So getting the water to your plants can often be an exercise in mindfulness, and therefore I love a hose trolley. These guys have come a long way, and nowadays they are light and easy to move around. To connect it to my tap, I simply use a connector hose, which prevents the hose from bending. I can literally reach the outskirts of my garden where needed, while a kickstand helps keep this baby upright. Oh, and it's frost-proof, so you're gonna have this guy around through all seasons and many years to come. When I'm done, it keeps my hose neatly rolled up thanks to a guide that moves from side to side. So as you're rolling, so it makes sure that it fills up the reel in good, even spacing. Now here's something that'll help you be even a more conscious gardener, is the connector regulator valve. This little valve allows you to switch off the water flow completely in between changing fittings, or give you the time to run and turn the tap off. For those of you that live in apartments and you're looking for more freedom of watering plants inside the house or on the balcony, you now get a very cool adapter for indoor taps. This nifty adapter can be used in the kitchen or bathroom by simply connecting it onto a tap with a male or female thread. And if there's no tap thread, well then you simply unscrew your shower head and connect the adapter along with your hose connector. So simple and easy for tight spaces and where we don't have regular taps with regular threading.